just mine.
That shit was hard.
They all wanna be the best like me, but they ain't never spit it this fresh like me, and they ain't never did it for the West like me, but yet they all trying to be just like me.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Curtis B, and I'm back with another reaction video. I'm excited for this one. I just seen that Machine Gun Kelly posted up a new video. He's putting in work on this quarantine, man. New videos coming all the time. Shout out to MGK. This one's called Pretty Toxic Revolver. Before I get into this video, please hit that subscribe button on my channel. Hit the bell notification, get notified when I upload new videos. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see me react to next. Shout out to all of you for watching this video. Thanks. Now let's get into it. This dude's putting in work from home. I like that.
Danger. One of us just lost our savior. Gotta maintain when you're going insane, so I say this prayer. Dear God, why do I need this medicine to control my anger? And do you even exist? They're trying to say it's a myth. A lot of things left unsaid, a lot of things left unanswered. My aunt just passed from cancer. Dad just got out of rehab, and mom's never gonna show up. Gotta grow up, ride with me through the memories inside of me. To the nights I was hooked on the ivory, head hurting all week cause of bad coke. Then the same week people overdose, that's fucked up.
Damn. Okay, this one's deep right here. He's talking to God on this one. Talking about drug addictions, why things are happening, why he was doing drugs, why people are dying from cancer and shit. This is deep. I like this. MGK's cool because he could always rip a verse with some hype shit just to fucking rap to prove his skills, you know what I mean? And then he can come with some real meaningful shit like this.
Memories inside of me, to the nights I was hooked on the ivory, head hurting all week cause of bad coke. Then the same week people overdose, that's fucked up. But I guess I lucked up, and I feel his pain because it probably won't be until the day I die that they love us. But trust, every nomination I don't get, every list that I ain't on, is a reminder of why I wrote songs in the first place, as a way to escape where I came from. This just my pretty toxic, heavy conscience, weighing on my soul. 6 shots in my revolver when I'm on my own. Play this song on the first day.
Man, this dude is really good at the melodic stuff. There's a lot of rappers that try to incorporate singing into their songs, but this dude could actually do it. I'm not saying he has the best singing voice ever, but he's got a good voice to do the melodic stuff on his own choruses.
Revolver when I'm on my own. Play this song on the first day I am gone. I do not want you to cry. Legends never die. I
Right?
Hope our stories told and the years spent on that road. Before they came to our shows, we were creating our lane. I hope they pave it in gold. Take me home, somewhere I belong.
His ad-libs are crazy good.
Isn't it funny that whenever you got a vision, a mission, and a couple of plans to go with it, somebody gotta come along mad and damage it like a cancer that inhabits, never vanishes. A man is a smoke 5 grams of cannabis and still keep my stamina for the fans and the goddamn cameras that attack my stance like evangelists. I said truth and they couldn't handle it.
Damn.
So when it sinks, you stand in it. I guess this is my Titanic with no James Cameron to direct this draft of it. Just mine.
That shit was hard. This is my Titanic with no James Cameron directing it.
My Titanic with no James Cameron to direct this draft.
Damn. MGK, man. This dude's dope. Like I said in my last reaction to MGK video, I don't know how anybody can hate this dude, man. He's doing his thing. He's been doing it for years. This fool's sick.
I guess this is my Titanic with no James Cameron to direct this draft of it. Just my pretty toxic, heavy conscience weighing on my soul.
It sounds good, for real.
6 shots in my revolver when I'm on my own. Back against the wall, they got me anxious, helpless, frigid, cold. Late nights, drinking on my own. Now I'm fearless, Al Capone. Dearest, I ain't going.
All right. I like this shit. You can tell he loves doing it too. It's awesome. He just looked at the camera like, yeah, I just did something cool. He knows it. Yeah, I really like how he can rap like really well. And he also incorporates the singing. It's kind of like a rock style, not super hardcore rock, but he does have a lot of songs that incorporate rock with rap. And I've always liked that combo because I grew up listening to classic rock, oldies and stuff. And then during elementary school, I picked up a lot of hip hop. So I've been rocking with all types of music for my whole life. I really like the rock and rap combined, and he does it really well. Shout out to MGK. That video was dope. Pretty Toxic Revolver. Thanks to all of you for watching my reaction to it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share, comment, all that good stuff. I guess that's it. Thank you, everybody. Have a good one. Peace out.